All right. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I am going to show you a coin that I know what I'm getting. So usually in my videos, I don't know what I'm getting because, I show my monthly coins that I'm not aware of what they are. But in this case, I know what they are. Or I know what this one is anyway. Um, so this coin is a coin that's celebrating the 250th anniversary or birthday of the United States of America. And, once I saw this coin, I had to get it. First of all, I'm stacking silver and I love American history. So back on July 18th, I posted on on Facebook, a couple other places as well, but mainly, most of the times I'm on Facebook. And I was really excited that, this came up. I went to look into my, back office, where I can order coins. And once I saw this one come up, I was like, oof, I got to get this. So here's the post. You can see the date is July 18th. It's obviously it's after the 4th of July, but when I saw it, I said, I better get this because it's going to sell out. And sure enough, it sold out within, I wouldn't say minutes, but I ordered it. And I looked back like an hour later, 2 hours later, it was sold out. It was out of stock. So I'm glad I got it. So I got it yesterday. Today's Saturday. Got it on. Sorry, I got it on Thursday. So without further ado, here's the packet. We all know this great packet, and let's open this bad boy up. All right. So let's go. Get to it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how it looks because it looks great on the photos and the images that I've seen. So let's see what we got. See how it is. So let me go back to me here. There we go. All right. Oh, so I don't know what I got here. What did I get here? I got something. Oh, spend over a certain amount of money and you get one free 1 ounce copper. Not bad. See that? So maybe I'll do that. I have a 5 ounce copper, by the way. It's like a paperweight. It's beautiful. All right. And oh, yeah, look at this. This is nice. Really, really nice. So let's see what it says here before I show it to you. 250 years. Yeah, 1776 to 2026. Lady Liberty. Um, the Liberty Bell, the Capitol, and Mount Rushmore. So there you go. Look at that. Pretty nice. And then the American Eagle and the American flag. It's a 999 coin, which reminds me, I'm going to do a video explaining the difference between a 999 and a quadruple nine coin. So if you look at silver coins, silver rounds, you'll see they're either 999 or quadruple nine, 0.999 or 0.9999. But anyway, that's the coin. Sorry. Look at that. Ah, I can't get it right. My orientation's off. 250. Beautiful coin. Glad I got it. Let me see if I can get you a better image on the coin. Because sometimes when you see it, when I try to put it up to the camera, it goes out of focus, or you just really can't get a feel for it unless you have it in your hand. So it looks great. It's mint. No pun intended. All right. So here is that's my Facebook post. And check this out. Look at that. That is pretty frigging cool. So, um, you know, it's getting back to me. It commemorates the 250th anniversary, like it's birthday of the United States. Also, this whole month has been a little crazy. Everybody was a soccer fan. Now that that's gone away, I don't think anyone's a soccer fan anymore, at least not here in the States. But I'm sure all over the world, there's still people who think they are soccer geniuses. with the World Cup coming to an end. Um, anyway, I just wanted to show this coin, so let me know what you guys think. You really can't see it. It's sweet. It's nice, man. All right, so with that, enjoy the rest of the day and look for my next video, which again, I'm gonna explain the triple nine versus the quadruple nine. And also, I did get today my monthly auto ship, which I don't know what it is. So, but this one I did. So, all right, guys, have a good rest of the weekend. See you in my next video.